Number five was Holtzzy. Now this is a pretty game. We've seen the screenshots of this in the Discord. So let's check this one out. So this game is called Dreamcatcher by Holtzzy. Holtzzy also worked with an artist. What's the name? Where is the name? If you want to play it as well, there's a link for you there. Let's jump to this page. Let me just tick these so I know that I've done them. Save that. So you learned how to make an infinite runner. Excellent. Infinite runner was one of the first things I learned in Unity, and it's a great foundation to like build on a bunch of skills as well. So the credits are in the description, so let's jump along to that. Okay, so left mouse to jump. There is a triple jump. There's a variable jump height. Okay, so the longer you hold, it goes under. Triple click and hold for pause. Okay, so is this with the idea of the accessibility here, Holtzzy, the one button? The way that you pause with click as well. Just so I know whether I add this to my inclusivity. Yeah, one button. That's cool. Yeah, let's. We're now on to. I'll donate an extra 2 grid for this. Good job. Because I was just about to say that is a really weird way to pause the game, and I was like, actually, I can see what you've actually gone for. Alrighty, so the credits, Kevin, as always, doing the music for everyone ever. A mix kit, I'm guessing that's the software you used for it. And then we had Soxy doing the art, and we had the gameplay and programming by the wonderful Holtzzy as well. So let's get involved with this one. It's going to be playing in a browser, so I'm just going to open it in Edge, because Edge goes a little bit nicer for me with web-based games. And let's go. Left click, one click only, so I can actually just lean on my hand nicely while I play. So often when you have web games, Unity ones, there's 2 like full screen things, and I never know which one to click. Thank you for having music. Controls here. I like how they have the little cloud elements to it as well. There we go. Full screen. Look at this cool thing as well. I love how you've animated these kind of like different kind of 2D sprites chucked together. Kind of Windy Beard style, right? Yeah, Nightmare looks great. Looks great. All right, 1, 2, 3. Let's get going. There was some button feedback I saw as well. Okay, ready? It's flashing. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that. So every time I jump... Oh, okay, hang on. Ooh, okay. So every time I jump, I'm doing my net as well. I don't know if I meant to try and catch him with my net. You just turn the sounds down a little bit as well. Let's try this again. Yeah, look at these little pink dudes in the background. They're glorious. Okay, I think we just avoid the black things. I think the net is just the animation. Oh, it's just the animation. Oh, is it running smooth as well? By the way, just make sure. Yeah, it is running smooth. Lovely. What's the purple? Nightmare's busted. Oh, look at us getting all these power-ups now. Oh, I should have collected the pink thing. So the pink things are good, right? I really love the little cute things in the background. Having 3 clicks is actually quite cool, because it means you can save yourself, but also get yourself into a pickle. Oh, I almost got that one. Okay. It's going faster as time. Golden! Double points! Quadruple points! Give us the things to get points then. There we go, there we go. There we go. Slight downside is there are some of these pink things that I can't get, but I mean, that's alright. Just from a play experience, you want to feel like, oh, I could have got that if I thought in a cool way. But I think what's happening is they're traveling, so it's come on, no! Ah! Alright, we can do better. What's our score? 1125. Ladies and gentlemen, play along. Play along, please, and let me know what your high score was when you play it. Music really suits as well. You did well to find it. So the nightmares, I don't know if there's a bug, but after or maybe I just happened to get the nightmare busted very often, because I haven't seen many of the baddies after that first run. Alright. Oh, I can use space. That's going to be easier for my hand as well. Alright, here we go. Oh, did Windy play it? Oh, crap. Okay, no one saw that. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. So, I actually know we want to die on purpose. Because, like, some nightmare stuff comes in. So, let's, before we try and have a good go, let's try and find out what happens when you run into the nightmares. Where are they? There they are. So, there's one. So, you get kind of, like, bitten, and you get the kind of black stuff on the screen. Oh, we busted them accidentally. Alright, maybe this will just turn into... It seems like it's gone. I think it's just you can't hit too many of them at once, probably. Oh! Okay, so they are different coloured clouds. Be interesting if some of them maybe, like, dissipated underneath you. Because at the moment, I think it's just cosmetic why some of them are different colours. Which is also nice to have a bit of variance, don't get me wrong. Oh, no. Oh, the Nightmare Buster healed me. That's what it... Okay, okay. Right, let's get some high scores in chat then. I'm going to give this a couple more goes, see what my high score is. But let's talk about what we like about it. So, I think the main character is such a wonderful kind of character. And I think the aesthetics on the whole are great when you combine like the music, the style of animation, along with what all of the collectibles are. The clouds having little faces, the little happy pink things in the background, the color palette. It's all really nicely done from that perspective. Oh, accidentally quit because my mouse happened to be in the middle. In terms of like mechanics, it feels tight as well. To be honest, me messing up is my fault. Having a triple jump is interesting. I don't know whether it'd be interesting if it was a power-up, that you didn't always have it. So you have to kind of adapt your thinking a bit. Okay, so we're going to play careful. Yeah, the negatives I mentioned once was the... Okay, that helped. Does it go faster every time I get a purple one as well? I wonder. Because part of me feels like I'd rather it go slower for a bit longer. But yeah, the controls are tight. The one thing that was confusing was the net animation when she jumps. I expected that to do something specific. So, yeah, players might be trying to use that without actually realizing it's just an animation. But while it speeds up is good because it varies like your expectation of what a single and a double jump and a triple jump and a long jump versus a short press jump should be achieving. No! Ooh. Oh, I thought I'd paused it then. Come on, we can do this. I quite like the variable jump heights, if I'm honest with you. I had it in Funner Runner, and it can be difficult, but it feels good when you get it right. As a player, it feels good. No. Oh, no, 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 no! Ah! We were so close! On stream, it's going a bit stuttery at high speeds. Yeah, it's not stuttery on my screen, just for the record. So the performance of it is running pretty fine. Spent a lot of time on the... Yeah, the jumping feels good. It's very responsive. Alright, we're going to give it one more go. One more go. Let's see if we can beat 2000. Oh, no. No, no. I mean, we're going to do one more go. One more go. Let's see if we can beat 2000. We can cut that bit out. It's fine. Cut it out. Not like we're live or anything, right? Alright, one more go. One more go. We're going to get to 2000. First try. Classic. Classic. However, the good news is we are going to get one more game in as well. So there will be one more game played today. So one more raffle will follow. What I quite like about the air jumping as well is you can choose to like fall off a ledge and then jump. It gives you an extra like option, I guess, when it comes to like how you're gonna manage the distance you need to travel. No. Okay, that got rid of those. That's good. That's good. Let's go. I missed the bonus there. It's made me a little bit sad. Oh, I need to jump there. I'm trying to play it too safe. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got this. We got this. I'm not even looking at my score because I am scared. Come on. No, that tiny gap! You can run over that gap, but you can't fall through it. Ah, I didn't jump because I didn't think I could fall through it. How harsh. Oh, 2,700. It was a noble score. Oh. No, I'm not 144 hertz. My screen is a 60 hertz screen. I don't do gaming, hardcore gaming, so I don't see the need to pay for a higher hertz screen. And my stream is capped to 30 frames per second as well. So yeah, it's gonna have some inconsistency there. But what a lovely little entry though. What was my score? Around 2,700, right? So we need to write that on the page. So save that. This was super fun to play. Really great cohesion between the art and audio, including colors and character. The jump mechanic felt tight. The 3 jumps along with increasing speed meant you the gameplay evolved. That's a bit of a strong word for it. As it went on, as your familiarity with jump distances and heights, jump distances had to change as the speed got greater. I got 2,786 and I am proud of that. Thanks and great job. Look at all those random capital letters I've chucked in there. Cool. Lovely, lovely, lovely.